Let's go across to Prasoon Joshi, who in my book is quite the hero of this whole 12 hours, because he wrote the anthem, he spoke so well about it. But now, Prasoon, you'll have to work a little bit harder. You'll have to work. I want you to sing the anthem. And if you really work hard, Amitabh Bachchan is longing to sing it with you.
No, I would definitely recite it. And
Pranay, the first P in your name should be presumptuous.
Prasoon, presumptuous Prasoon.
Yeah. And thank you, Abhijit, and thank you, Dr. Roy. I think an amazing energy the whole day, and I think a very successful day in your endeavor. And I think what people should know that the changes which a movement like this, which Reckitt has also championed, and they are very incremental. And Gaurav and me often talk about these days it's not just important for brands to make you feel good; they have to act good, they have to do good. And I think this is action is part of this entire program, and which I'm very proud to be associated with for so long. The whole day we talked about in nutshell, Amitji, you understand this more than anyone else. Why do we write anthems? We write anthems because anthem is a kind of commitment. It's a reminder. In nutshell, it's an essence of what all we're trying to do. It anchors us in the right direction. It keeps reminding us that this is what we started with. Because in prose, you can talk very, very long, but when you have to bring it out and distill it in the form of poetry and few lines, it's very difficult because you have to then commit yourself. And when I was writing this, I realized that the words I wanted to use, words like Paryavaran, वो कुछ फंस रहे थे. They were not very easily coming out. And I started thinking, Paryavaran, Swasthya, Swachhata, ये अभी भी, why are we not very easy with these words? When something fits into poetry very easily in the meter, that's become part of common parlance. It's become easy with the language. The reason the distance is there because probably it is not yet internalized. It's not yet that people have embraced it fully. So the journey is far from over. That's the time I realized when I was writing this. And when I wrote the lines, Apna Dhyan Mantra Mahan Desh Banega Ayushman, I still felt that I have to write Paryavaran. And then these lines came, Swachhata, Swasthya aur Paryavaran ka dhyan, जीवन का आज यही मंत्र है महान. सच है यह बहुत बड़ा, भूले ना भूलेंगे कभी, कह रही है ये जमीन और सारा आसमान. अपना ध्यान मंत्र महान, देश बनेगा आयुष्मान. दो हाथों की दूरी, इनको साफ रखना भी जरूरी, करना है जीवन का हमको सम्मान. अपना ध्यान मंत्र महान. आज है चुनौतियों को जीतना हमें, आज है चुनौतियों को जीतना हमें, आगे बढ़कर आंधियों को रोकना हमें. स्वच्छता को साथ साथ लेके बढ़े हम, जिंदगी को कोशिशों से स्वस्थ करें हम. एक नई आशा, नई उम्मीद पाए हम, मन से इस प्रकृति को सर झुकाएं हम. अपना ध्यान मंत्र महान, देश बनेगा आयुष्मान. This is what I wrote. And I feel that, with repeating this, I think throughout the day, and I've been seeing as more is getting played, more easy we are becoming these words. I was seeing my daughter in the other room, which, every time I was listening to it, she was hearing, and she came running from her, and she was, casually singing these lines. So I think the distance gradually will be traveled, and you will find these words easily finding, a role in our lives. So probably with the efforts of Reckitt, NDTV, and Amit Jiju, we'll reach there one day.
Thank you, Prasoon. That's really very well put. Yeah.